This thing's sweet. Check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be getting rid of this ugly splash guard looking thing for this bad boy. So this we got from Lexland Gear. They sent me out this. It kind of goes with the theme of the truck, black truck, so black skid plate with the TRD logo on the front, which work really good with my control arms. So we're gonna go ahead and go over what you'll need, how to take off the original one, and how to put on the new aftermarket one. This is really, I made up a really nice material. And it even has a spot for your oil. So instead of like the factory OEM skid plates, that you have to take the whole skid plate off, this one actually has a pass through. So that's gonna be super nice. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the tools we're gonna need in this project is a ratchet. Got mine from Lovely Harbor Freight. You're gonna need a 12mm. That's for the stock bolts. 13mm. That's for the aftermarket ones. If you want a persuader, you're more than welcome to get one. You don't need it, but it's definitely nice to make things faster. And then a torque wrench. If you don't have one, don't worry about it. Just use that Ugga method and you should be fine. But we're gonna put this at 12 foot-pounds. So if you're gonna get anything out of this video, at least get that. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with the first thing we're gonna do is take out 4 bolts. 4. So there's 2 in the back, 2 in the front. I'm already missing 1, so I'm only taking out 3 because, yeah. So here we go. 1, 2, like Count Dracula, and then 3. And now imagine there's a 4th one. Bzz, done. All right, so now we're gonna get rid of this crappy plastic splash guard wannabe skid plate. And we're gonna put on the cool TRD black front skid plate. Remember, guys, there is 2 sections, so you can buy a back section or front one, so you can go out to market. You can do whatever you want. This is just for the front variants that protects your intercooler and your radiator and oil housing and all that fun junk in the front. So at least get this on. So let's do that real quick. Okay, now that I'm back. So what I did, because I took you guys off camera for a minute, I was struggling, so I got a jack stand. That helped out a lot. Another thing is, so there's 2 more bolts you're gonna have to move. So you have this back portion right here, this other fixed skid I need to get rid of. So there's 2 bolts holding that together. You're gonna need that because this extends out further than the plastic OEM one that did. So what I did is I put the jack stand up, put these 2 back ones in, that way you can kind of hold everything steady with the OEM bolts. And then what we're gonna do now is we can take either the OEM bolts or the aftermarket bolts. I'm gonna probably stick with the OEM bolts. These bad boys right here. And you're gonna attach it, see if this thing can focus. All right, there's a little clip off your bumper support. And you're gonna go ahead and go in through here. What's nice is they gave you a nice long oval hole on both sides for adjustment. So you move back and forth. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. All right, so I'm gonna get mine hand tight right now. With these little fins on the front, you kind of want to push up when you go in with it. That way, because the bumper will try to fight you. So now it'll be nice and flush. So now, we got everything kind of hand tight. We can use the persuader. Give it a good little, I'm gonna kind of do like a tire. Boom, boom, boom. Oop, that one Whoops. There we go. Am I using the right one? I am not. I'm using the wrong one, guys. Oh well, I guess it's working. All right. So that was it. Probably about 10 minutes, roughly. Let's go ahead and check it out now. Oh, I almost forgot. 12 foot-pounds. So let's go ahead and do that. That's 12 foot-pounds. This thing's sweet. Check it out, guys. Holy cow. Small things, they just change the truck. It's nice having a piece of metal there instead of that plastic, so I know it'll be protected. All right, guys. So if you guys don't mind, please like, share, subscribe. Check out lexiongear.com. They're the ones who hooked it up with this skid plate. So use code DIRTREMEDY at checkout, and see you guys on the trails. Get wild.